Hi Andrew, here is a second pass at your Organise Space. I seem to be having attacks of sneezing, but I'm going to soldier on with this video rather than start it for a fourth time. So this is going to be low cost product I've used here. I haven't used any moving parts. They're the Elfa parts that tend to put the cost up. Now the reason I'm showing you this slightly occluded view at the moment is just want to give you an impression of how that hanging space is closing off some of the shelves further to the rear, but I thought if this area, as you described, we're splitting the hanging, this area was for the heavier, longer coats which are going to be harder to push out the way. This bottom area is for children's clothes, or it could be shelves. I'm going to show that option later on, and then higher up perhaps some other coats which could be easier to push out the way, and they're actually they're sort of occluding less shelf space than the children's clothes are at the bottom there. It's never going to be particularly easy to access this storage under here. They are never great spaces unless you cut out this wall and put doors in. It's really hard to get these spaces to work. I've looked at lots and lots of them over the years. So let's get into this. We're going to go to a transparent view and going to show you a bit more of what we've got here. Now the other design you looked at were using wall fixed verticals. They're really hard to work with. Okay, yeah, you might be able to get a bit more storage out of them, but using Elfa's top hung system, it's just going to be a lot easier to install, and the gains are minimal by using the old-fashioned verticals that screw straight to the wall. So I've gone with the modern top track system. It's not really a lot I can tell you about this. 300mm deep shelves towards the back. You've got reasonable access under the stairwell there, as I say, once you've got past the clothes. Let's just get rid of the building entirely, give it one more spin. This is what we're looking at. These extensions here will be cut to size on site, as will any overhang in the track there. Just ignore these bits that are overhanging. I'll deal with those on the install. Okay, let's look at some different options and take it from there.